Alright, now let's put everything back together. Make sure it shoots right. Put this in first, and this. Eyes. I'll do that later. What am I doing? Sure it's good in there. Attach this thing. Going in. Pull it out. Huh. I'm gonna just screw these 2 screws back in. Keep dropping that. Huh. Monsters vs. Aliens. Is that a cartoon?
Yeah, it's a Disney movie.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Alright, so now this is all attached. Trying to get the eyes in. I think they're in. No. One more. Let me think here. Alright. Okay. A little confused on what's going on. It's been a while since I've taken apart. What the hell is this thing called? Epiphany?
I'm sure people will really be interested in your review. What's this thing called?
Yeah. I hate this gun. This is the hardest part right here. Yeah, putting it back together.
Gotta line the board up right.
Really?
Yeah. Asshole.
I didn't know that.
It's because you're an idiot.
Dynasty. I just looked at your poster and it saw Dynasty.
Wow.
What a dumb video.
Oh god, yeah. Should probably take off the audio on this thing.
Oh no.
No? You don't think so?
You want people to hear this.
Oh yeah. Makes it a more social recognition. Especially since it takes so damn long to screw in the board.
You don't... This is ridiculous. Like...
If you're not retarded, this should be a lot easier.
It's not my fault I ate lead.
have a drink in here.
I wish I had gum. Tell your dad to go give me some gum. Hey, I got the screw back in. I don't like this kind. I need music, dude. Why am I so bad at freaking putting screws in guns?
You're just bad at getting in the hole. It's okay.
I know, right?
Yeah. Happens to the best of us.
Yeah. And they start complaining. It's like, you missed.
Yeah. It's like, that's where I was aiming.
And then they can't walk straight for like an hour and a half. They're bitching. It's not my fault. Alright, 2 more screws, and we're done. Actually, we're not. Put the freaking... Oh, that was really quick to screw in. That was weird.
I hope I have this in the right quality of video.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh no, there's a bunch of different settings. Doesn't really matter.
HD it, man. HD it up.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah. So everybody can see how long the freaking fingernails are. They're freaking huge!
Damn, this huge bitch!
Oh my god. Oh. Fuck my life. Alright, we could unscrew this, but we're not going to. I'm just gonna put it back together. Because we are lazy. Put this stupid thing back on. No, it's not going on. It won't fit. That's the problem. I wonder what movie they're watching.
Couldn't tell you.
Come on. You can fit on. Come on. You know you want to. Why won't you fit?
Wow, I didn't think this would be that hard for you.
I'm sorry. Oh, it's going. It's coming. It's
Actually,
coming.
I had that problem last time I took the skin part too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So much for an O-ring.
Wow, you broke my O-ring, asshole.
I'm sure you don't need it. Improv it.
No, you're buying me a new O-ring.
Okay. You can have my O-ring in my or. What the fuck? Okay. There you have it.
Now, if you do it right.
Now, if you go to a different person, like don't look at our videos.
You might figure this out.
Yeah, you might know what you're doing.
But we like to think of ours as entertainment.
Yeah. I really want to know what that movie is.
Maybe it's Monsters vs. Aliens. I think it's Monsters vs. Aliens.
I don't know. Alright. What a crappy gun. Alright. Now plug you in. Should we shoot it to make sure it works?
Yeah, we'll take care of that later though.
Alright. Put the macro line back in. Well, it turns on if anybody's wondering. So I did something right.
My regulator's gonna be leaking all day though.
Why?
I don't know, maybe you broke it.
If I did.
I hope you did. That way I can make you buy me a new one.
Yeah, I hope I did too. So I want to buy you a new reg. Right now. Just love buying people stuff. There you go.
Put the grips back on, pal. Gosh. You can't shoot it like that without grips.
Son of a bitch.
Like, people are going to be watching this video, and they're going to get that far, and then all of a sudden they're going to have no idea what to do with the grips. All because you didn't put them back in.